Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create an AI influencer video. So I'm just going to type this into Google Gemini first. You can obviously change the outfit she's wearing or the accessories and the hair. I'll just do like auburn wavy hair, and then here I'm just going to select a an autumnal sweater like that, and then accessories. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm just going to press submit here, and it's going to generate the image for me. Then you are going to want to save that image. Just going to wait for it to load here. I'm just going to then save it here. Then you're going to go to ChatGPT. You're going to add in that picture, and you are going to type this prompt in. I will put it in the description box down below, and you're just going to press enter. And it's going to give you a prompt. Lastly, you're going to go to Google Flow, add in that prompt with a picture, and it's going to make a video. Unfortunately, I don't have the credits for that, so I'm just going to leave it as is. Again, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.